long 1 mile walk to our spot. You guys should have wore shoes, and I told you not to wear slippers back here. You guys... Eh? Eh? Yeah. 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 Yeah, man. Yes, people. Back again. Me and Gio. Brawling. They said, ready to kill sitting right there, Gio. Eh? Crayfish. Yo, Gio, me tell you about that one. See them man, a bait fish them man. Water, I must say cold in the morning, yeah. Careful, hitch up in a Gio. Cold in my blood, Pete, man. Yeah. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. We're here. Me and Gio's back at one of our favorite spots, and about to do some lure fishing. And Gio's trying to convince me to go into this cold ass water. It's such a Jesus, it's cold this morning, Gio. No. Yo, why? It's cold, but it feels good as hell, boy, after you get into it. Yo, it feels like ice. Damn, bro. Why did I let you convince me to do this morning? Wade fishing at its best, guys. Jamaican shore fishing right here. Me and Gio is doing a little lure fishing this morning. See what we can pick up this morning, guys. Right there, we know we're going to pick up at least 5 fish in about 5 minutes. We can come back to the snook anytime after that, you see me? Jada, now if you just push through and come on here, just block your face. Yeah, man, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. See what we go through to get footage, content. Yeah, man. I grow on that, so I'm gonna try pick up some footage. Blood clean, Gio. When you say grass get high, man. Tell nobody no come on here. I think I get wet to rotted. Man and do grass, people. Larry, watch your step over here. You hear me, Jada? One look at Brockway there, so. You have to watch your step right here, so. Larry, come on, guys. We soon go on the beach, you know. I just try, me and Gio try pick up 2 snook this morning.
Again? The last time he hit over. It's gonna come out that way.
Oh! Oh, Gio, you seen that?
What?
Yeah. You seen that, Jada?
I saw when it go down when you were paying attention.
Look here, you see him? You don't see it?
Yeah, man, I see them.
You see because this Mac they shot them. Rascal, you fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Yo, youth. Yo, Gio. Jamaican shore fishing, peoples. That's what's up, guys. If I don't feel, put it back. Eh? Alright, that's all. Alright, that's all. I'm big one under there, your fault. Eh? Yeah. Come on, Jamaica shore fishing here, guys. We out here getting some footage. See what's up, guys. See what we can pick up here. Didn't realize that the camera was off when I got a hit a while ago. Let's see what's up. There, man. We're making sure fishing, guys. We here on the Rio Bueno side. Chill with my boy Gio. And trying to pick up something this morning, guys. Cooler, man. Around the river mount me there for 5 o'clock, but I never want to wake you up so early. You see? Why if you amongst you and get a lick in my head this morning? And then what's all the morning cold this morning? See that too?
Yeah, wake up, man.
Yeah, man. Well, we're making sure fishing, people. Yeah, man. That's all she wrote, guys. I'm about to head back in. Did pretty good this morning. Caught a few fish. Not much on the not really much on the camera today, guys, except for the 2 jack. But we're going home pretty all right today, guys. Won't be dying of hunger, I tell you that much. Yes, we have fish in the cooler. That's right. Cooler is filled up with fish, people, as a matter of fact. And we're heading home. Laurie and Jada is getting some swimming over there, enjoying themselves. Yeah, man. Just like that. Jamaica shore fishing, people. We out here. Prowling dogs.